So when it comes to making money on TikTok, sure, you've got the Charli D'Amelio's and all the other mega stars that are making millions of dollars per year on the platform. But what I think is way more interesting are the thousands of smaller creators that are making six figures per year on the platform by doing things a bit more unconventionally than some of these TikTok mega stars are. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 best methods you can use as a smaller creator on the TikTok platform to start making some serious money and potentially even 6 figures. So for context here, at the point of recording this video, I've been on TikTok for about a month and I made just about $10,000 in that span of time on the platform, starting from absolute scratch. Okay, so I want to show you guys that this stuff is totally possible to do, and personally, I have done it myself. So let's dive right into the top 5 methods you can use to monetize your TikTok following, most of which I've been using myself to make some serious money in the last 30 days. So when it comes to making money on TikTok, there is a wide variety of things that you could be doing, far more than the 5 that I'm going to mention in this video, but these 5 are the most popular and typically the most profitable for TikTok creators. And when you boil all of them down, okay, all of these methods, they really boil down to 2 main things, okay, and that is trust and attention. Because as an influencer, as someone who has influence over other people, has the attention of people, you have so many opportunities in terms of what to do with that attention and with that trust that you have built with your audience. And all 5 of these methods are going to allow you to monetize it in different ways. Now, if you have yet to build up a loyal audience on TikTok, I'm going to direct you to my video that I made on how I went from 0 to 100,000 followers on TikTok in just about 2 weeks time. So that's going to show you how to build the audience. Once you've got the audience, then you can use these methods to actually make some money on the platform. Now, the first method for making money on TikTok, this one is the most popular, but rarely the most profitable, is the TikTok Creator Fund. Now, I say rarely the most profitable because once you get to some of these other methods, you're going to see that there are way better opportunities to make money on the platform than just the Creator Fund. Now, for context, my best day, my absolute best day in the Creator Fund, I only made about $270, which might sound like a lot, might sound like a little, but that was my absolute best day on the platform. And I think overall, I've only had 3 days that went over $200 on the Creator Fund. So it's not going to be the place for you to make huge amounts of money. Again, unless you're getting millions and millions of views every single day, it's probably not going to add up to all that much. Now, I also do have a full video on the Creator Fund if you do want to check that out. It's really going to go a lot deeper into how the thing actually works. So if you want to check that out, I'll have that up here. But in terms of the basic understanding for this video, you have to hit some pretty low requirements to join the Creator Fund. Once you hit those requirements, you can apply to join. And if your content is deemed safe by TikTok, you'll be approved typically in about just a couple hours. Now, currently, as of recording this video, the TikTok Creator Fund is paying out a CPM or cost per mil of about 5 cents. So that means for every 1,000 views you get on TikTok, if you're in the Creator Fund, you can expect to earn about 5 cents. So might sound pretty low, especially if you're familiar with YouTube CPMs. My CPM here on YouTube is closer to 20, 30, sometimes even $40. So there's a big discrepancy there between 5 cents and like 30 bucks. But at the same time, it's a lot easier to get views on TikTok than it is to get views on YouTube. Now, on that day I mentioned earlier where I made about $270 on the Creator Fund, I actually had over 5 million views in that particular day. I think it was 5.8 million views in a single day, translated into just $270. Now, if you were getting 5 million views on YouTube and only getting $270, something would be very wrong. So keep in mind that while the views are a lot easier than YouTube, you're going to be getting paid a lot less for those views than you would if you were able to grab them on a YouTube channel. Now, the second method for monetizing your TikTok following is a bit more advanced, and there's a lot larger of a threshold for you to actually access this method. This is the TikTok Creator Marketplace, and a lot of people don't even know this thing exists because it does not show up on your app until you cross 100,000 followers on the platform. So once you cross that 100,000 follower mark, you're able to apply to the TikTok Creator Marketplace, similar to applying for the TikTok Creator Fund. Now, I'm going to say the bar for entry here is a lot harder because your content doesn't just have to be safe, okay? It has to be like advertiser friendly. And apparently your buddy Apple Kreider's content was not advertiser friendly because when I applied for the TikTok Creator Marketplace, my application was rejected. So I'm currently waiting. If you wait 30 days, you can actually reapply to the Creator Marketplace. So I'm going to do that and hopefully I'll get accepted. Hopefully I'll be able to make a video about the Creator Marketplace. But for now, I am sitting on the sidelines until TikTok decides that my content is advertiser friendly. Honestly, have no idea why I was deemed unadvertiser friendly. Maybe it was just because my account was so new, but hopefully I'll be able to get approved for that once my 30-day window has expired. Now, basically, it's just a marketplace for you to connect with brands and for TikTok to take a cut. So there are going to be brands on the Creator Marketplace, typically larger brands, but some startups are on there as well. You can reach out to those brands and try to put a partnership together where they sponsor some of your content, and TikTok, as the middleman, is going to be taking a cut of whatever they do decide to pay you. But again, I don't have a ton of info on that yet because I haven't gotten in there firsthand, so you'll have to stay tuned for that future video. Now, method number 3 for monetizing your TikTok following, now we're getting into the actual good stuff here, and that is sponsorships. So this is basically the creator marketplace, except just cutting TikTok out of the picture, going straight to the brand, and getting sponsored directly. This is how most creators on the platform are making a significant amount of money, not quite as much as method number 5, but this is definitely one of the most profitable ways to make money on the platform. For context here, I know people with lower than 50,000 followers that have gotten brand deals for over 10 grand on TikTok. Okay, there's a lot of brands trying to get into TikTok. They've got a marketing manager breathing down their neck saying we need to be on TikTok, and so they are looking to spend money. So if you can give them a way to spend money in the way that they feel is acceptable and is going to be worth their while, you could potentially make some serious money on TikTok without even having 100,000 followers. Now, these can either be one-off or recurring sponsorships. Maybe you sell a 3 TikTok package. Maybe you sell 1 TikTok a week for 3 months, or maybe you just sell 1 TikTok at a time. Like, you can really decide, you can really build this out yourself, whatever makes the most sense for you and the brand to come together. It's really very flexible when designing a TikTok sponsorship. Now, in terms of putting these things together, you can either reach out to them directly, you can wait for them to come to you, or you can work with a company like Solidate to put these deals together for you and just kind of sit back and just let the deals kind of roll in. It really just depends on how much free time you have and how much you like responding to emails. Now, method number 4 for monetizing your TikTok account is to do affiliate marketing. This typically has a much lower barrier to entry than sponsorships do, because to get a sponsorship, you have to actually find a brand that is willing to pay you to promote their product. Brands typically aren't going to be willing to work with people who have less than, 10,000 followers for sure, but even less than like 20,000 followers, it's pretty tough to land a sponsorship on TikTok at that level. Affiliate marketing, on the other hand, is typically no barrier to entry. Okay, most affiliate programs you can just enter and you don't have to have any credibility or anything behind you to enter that particular affiliate program. Now, for context, affiliate marketing is basically promoting a product and then getting paid when somebody signs up for that product through your unique link or referral code. So if I recommended you my computer here and I said you should buy this computer, I gave you a referral link to Amazon.com that could track who bought through my link, that would be affiliate marketing. And Amazon actually has an affiliate program that anyone can sign up for where you can promote anything on their platform. Whenever somebody buys through your link, you're going to receive a percentage of whatever they paid. And that's a great way to get started on the platform if you've got products you regularly work with or things that you want to promote, but you're not quite big enough to land them as a sponsor for your account. Now, the number of opportunities to do affiliate marketing is really going to depend on your niche. So in the personal finance niche, there is an abundance of affiliate marketing opportunities. Okay, there are so many apps and startups and just companies that really want to get people in the door. And so they're willing to pay quite a bit of money to affiliates to bring people in the door for them. And this has been one of the biggest income streams for me over the last 30 days on TikTok has been affiliate marketing for finance related companies. Now, if you're in a niche that's not quite as profitable for these companies, there's not quite as many startups out there, then there might not be as many opportunities for affiliate marketing. However, like I said, Amazon does have an affiliate program that's pretty generic, going to work for pretty much anyone, but the margins on Amazon affiliate marketing are pretty low. They're only generally paying out about 2 to 5%, depending on what category of item you have someone purchase on the platform. So it's generally not going to be the best way to make money, but if you can find a strong affiliate in your niche that really aligns with your values and your brand, it could be an amazing opportunity to make some serious money on TikTok when you're just getting started. Now, method number 5 to make money on TikTok, and the most profitable in virtually all cases, is going to be selling products directly to your audience. So think about this for a second. If a brand is willing to pay you $10,000 to get in front of your audience, there's a good chance of making that $10,000 back and more, or else they wouldn't be spending that money to advertise on your channel unless they're just looking for like brand awareness or something. But in general, if a brand's willing to pay you $10K, odds are they're making more than $10K from your audience. If they could be making that money, so could you. Now, the problem here is it's typically a lot of work to start something up from the ground that's going to be able to make you that much money as a little side business. So a lot of influencers on TikTok will start off with selling things like merch. It's very easy to set up a merch store in about an hour using one of these online sites. And for some creators, that could be a decent little income stream, but you're really going to have to step beyond merch in most cases to actually start making some serious money selling your own products to your audience. And what I would say here is look at what other creators in your space, other similar creators are selling, and get some ideas from there, because that's going to give you an idea for what that type of audience is willing to pay money for and what kind of things you might be able to sell. For example, David Dobrik sold this puzzle that made him millions of dollars to his audience. That was something that was way out of the box, definitely wasn't merch, and helped him make a significant amount of money by going directly to to his audience. So think about ways that you could sell something directly to your audience, because the margins there can tend to be very, very nice. Now, one thing I want to say about selling to your audience, and really all of these methods, whether you're doing a sponsorship or affiliate marketing or selling something directly to them, make sure that the companies that you partner with are companies that you fully stand behind, okay? Because you have been spending all this time building up your reputation, building up your brand, and if you partner with a company that's not doing some great stuff, a little bit shady, a little bit sketch, you could ruin that reputation fairly quickly, okay? So make sure that you are finding reputable brands to partner with and selling reputable products, because you don't want to trash your reputation on the platform just by selling out for a couple $1,000s. So now that you know what the top ways are to make money on the TikTok platform, the next thing you should do is check out this video over here where I dive deep into the TikTok Creator Fund, share with you everything you need to know about the Creator Fund, how much you can make, how to really maximize it, and how the thing really works from the inside. So if you want to learn more about the Creator Fund, check out that video and I'll see you over there.